In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer your Google Photos pictures directly to your phone's gallery without even opening the Google Photos app. First, open any browser. I'll use Google Chrome. In the address bar, type photos.google.com and press enter. Now scroll down and click Google Photos. Select your Google account where your photos are stored. If your account isn't listed, tap Manage Accounts on this device, then Add Account and sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your Google Photos. Now, to download them, select the photos you want to save, then click the three dots in the top right corner and choose Download. It will start preparing your download, and once it's done, open the Downloads folder, extract the zip file, and you're all set. Now open your Gallery app, and you'll see all your Google Photos right there. And that's it. That's how you easily transfer your photos from Google Photos to your phone's gallery. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tricks. Thanks for watching.